parking garage.
It's a, look how low down it
Chicago,
is.
Illinois.
It's like at kneecap level.
Here's Sam.
Here's this one. Look how low down the button is. Okay, here we go.
Oh, you did.
Hold on, guys. Oh, this is newer. This is newer Westinghouse. Oh, whoa! Look at color-coded buttons. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Let's take a ride. Traction.
Yep. Is there a Westinghouse or
Yeah, Westinghouse.
Westinghouse? Yes.
There goes the counterweight. Let's press 4. Look at the colorful buttons. Oh, whoa, it lights up green. Ah, oh, fuck, that doesn't light up purple. Wait. Damn it. Okay, you know what? It's...
What?
Okay, you know what? Let's switch.
Yeah.
I just went... What the fuck?
It's too dark.
The fuck?
Hello?
You know what? That's it. Yeah, that's...